Everyone, today I'm going to be creating some pretty and pink Valentine's home decor. And welcome back to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. In this channel, you're going to see a lot of easy and inexpensive DIYs for your home and also seasonal. And at times, I'll also be doing some trash to treasure flips. So if this is something that interests you, I'm going to ask that if you can please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon right there in the corner so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So today I'm going to be creating some beautiful Valentine home decor, and I'm calling them pretty and pink because there is a lot of pink and also some gold. So if this is something that interests you, please continue to watch. But before we get started, I'm just going to ask you that if you can please consider to go and subscribe to my other social medias, my Instagram and also Facebook. I'll go ahead and link those links down below in the description box. On my Facebook group, you'll get to post some of your DIYs and also share with all of us what you have been creating. And also you'll be able to see firsthand my DIYs before I upload them on YouTube. So go on and head out to Belinda's Facebook group. I'd love for you to join us. Before I get started, I'll be showing you all the items that I'll be using for all these DIYs. So are you ready? Let's go ahead and get started. For the first DIY, I'll be using these adorable ceramic homes. Now, let me tell you, I found these at Dollar Tree and I could not believe that Dollar Tree had these. These look like the Target Dollar Spot homes. If you recall, in Christmas, they had some of these ceramic homes. So I was very excited to find these. So I'll be using these. And from these Dollar Tree wooden hearts, I'll be using 2 of them. And some acrylic paint in the color Pink Blush. I'll also be using this acrylic paint in some of the other DIYs. This is going to be a very easy DIY. What I did is just paint the roof with the pink paint, and I only painted 2 of the little houses. The one in the middle, I left the roof as is. And this is how the first little house turned out, and now I'm going to let the paint dry and move on to the other house. Next, I started to paint the little wooden hearts with the same color. The next thing that I did is position the hearts where I was going to hot glue them. And that was it for this project. For the next DIY, I'll be using 3 of these Dollar Tree love signs. Some spray paint in the color metallic gold, candy pink, and some white. I'll be using some of these paints for my other DIYs as well. I'll be taking these outside and I'm going to paint the top one in pink, gold, and white. And this is how they turned out. And now that the paint is dry, what I'm going to do is hot glue them together. What I'm gonna do is offset them. Now you can hot glue them straight up, all stacked up together, but I wanted them to look a little different, and that's why I'm gonna offset them. But these will look really nice to hang on a wall. To reinforce these, what I did is add some more hot glue where I had joined them, and I'm also gonna add some pieces of duct tape. And this is how now the love, love, love wall decor looks. For my next DIY, I'll be using this Dollar Tree box Valentine decor. I'll be using this like a shadow box, so I'll be using the back side of the box. Some felt hearts, and also the XOXO from this 3-piece decor from Dollar Tree. The first thing that I'm gonna do is remove this ribbon that it has, and then take it outside and spray paint it with the pink spray paint. I'll also be spraying the XOXO with the gold spray paint. The next thing that I'm gonna do is add these white felt hearts, and I'm gonna place it in the center of the box. So I'll be adding a few dots of hot glue onto the heart, and then I'll place it in the center. I did attach 2 hearts together. Next, I got 1 pink heart, and what I did is just cut the center out. And then I hot glued the pink heart into the center of the white heart. And then lastly, I hot glued the XOXO letters in the center of the heart. And this is how this wall decor turned out. For the next DIY, I'll be using 3 of these foam hearts from Dollar Tree. I'll also be using these Dollar Tree box Halloween decor. Now, I had purchased several of them, but I didn't use them all. But you can use this one here, and right now these are out, and these are for Valentine's. As you can see, they are exactly the same size. So if you don't have that Halloween box, you can use this one here. I'll be using this one also as a shadow box. I'll also be using this red truck ornament, and this is from Dollar Tree. If you're like me, you probably purchased several of them. The first thing that I'm gonna do is just remove the Christmas tree and also the Merry Christmas sign from this red truck. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is take this outside and spray paint it with a pink spray paint. And for the box, I'm gonna remove the little hook that it has on the back side and also the label. Next, I'll be taking this outside as well, and I'm gonna be spray painting it white. Now for 2 of these hearts, I'm gonna take them outside and spray paint them with the gold spray paint. Okay, so the paint is dry now, and here is my shadow box. And here is my pink truck. I also brushed on some acrylic paint in the center of the tires. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is hot glue it in the center of the shadow box like this. The next thing that I'm gonna do is add those 2 gold hearts, a pink one and a purple one, and I'll be putting them in the back of the truck. The good thing about these hearts is that they have the little sticky tab on the back, and all you have to do is pull out the paper and then just stick them on where you want them to be. And this is how the pink truck shadow box turned out. For the last DIY, I'll be using 3 of these Dollar Tree candles, a gold paint marker, 1 wooden heart from Dollar Tree, some twine, and some of these wood beads from Dollar Tree. And also this plastic tray, also from Dollar Tree. And these spray paints, the gold, the pink, and also some white. Okay, so I'm gonna start by spray painting 2 of these candles, and I'm gonna paint 2 of them in the pink color, and then the center one, I'm gonna paint it in the gold spray paint. And then for the tray, I'm also gonna paint this in the pink color. I'm also gonna spray paint the heart with the white spray paint. The Dollar Tree wood beads are different sizes, and I grabbed the biggest ones. I'm actually going to be using 6 of them, and I'm going to paint 2 of them gold, 2 in pink, and 2 in white. Okay, so now that the paint is dry on my candles, I'm going to write XOXO on both of the pink candles. I was being very careful because the gold paint would run if I would press it too hard, so I had to take my time doing this. And this is how both candles turned out. And here are my painted beads and also the white heart. Next, I'm going to strand my beads through the twine. Next, I'm going to add some hot glue at the end and then place my heart there. Next, I'm going to tie a knot at the end and then cut it off. And now I'm going to wrap the beads around the gold candle. And then I'm going to wrap some twine around all 3 candles. And then I'll be placing all 3 of them in the pink tray. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day. And remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.